Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how pomegranates are processed, from the farm to fresh juice and face masks.
I tell you, this year's crop is the best we've ever had.
Absolutely. The color on these is incredible.
Watch your back. Okay, got it. Grab that tarp. Let's tie it down. Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the back pallet. We need the red ones next. Watch your step. Setting it down now. Looks good. Grab the next one.
Temperature is stabilized at the optimal range now.
Confirmed. Everything looks good.
Check the fill level on this one. I think the seal might be compromised.
And the crimping on the cap is slightly off.
Let's pull it from the line.
The pH levels are stable at 3.0. Good. The bricks reading is consistent with the last batch as well.
This batch looks good. The color is perfect.
Yes, very vibrant. We can clear this section